Case history number 5 is about the optimization of a horizontal maximum contact well. In this presentation, I will only briefly discuss this complex optimization study, but the full analysis and the details are described in this paper co-authored with the operator. This horizontal maximum contact well is in the Middle East, and it's an oil-water liquid-liquid application. The length of the well is more than 5 kilometers. This is a trilateral smart completion system, as shown in this schematic here. The mother bore refers to the deepest section, and the laterals are L1 and L2. 3 sets of two-phase optical flow meters and pressure temperature gauges were used for these laterals and the mother bore, along with the inflow control valves. The goal was to optimize the oil production and reduce the produced water amount by means of the inflow control valves and the optical monitoring systems. Initially, the well was producing at different lateral pressures. With the help of the inflow control valves and the monitoring systems, the mother bore was restricted to equalize pressure and allow more production from the laterals. The optimization process required systematic field tests, and these tests were conducted by on-site personnel. 2 teams were involved. One of the teams was there to operate the inflow control valves, and the other team was there to log data from the optical monitoring systems. There were 2 teams because the inflow control valves and the optical monitoring systems were from different service providers. The data from the optical monitoring systems were carefully analyzed by off-site personnel, and the analysis showed that the surface choke system, shown here, also played a significant role in the optimization process by affecting the characteristics of the flow field and the measurements as well. At the end, the well was optimized with these ICV settings. The upper ICV for lateral 2 was set to an opening of 12%. The middle ICV for L1 was fully opened, and the lower ICV for the mother bore was set to any value between 6 to 12%. Though I briefly discussed the highlights of the optimization here, as the person who did the off-site analysis of this data, I can safely state that the optical monitoring system had a direct impact on the optimization process. After all, without knowing the phase flow rates, none of these results could be attained.